Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ford Ranger hood. First, gather your tools, including a 13mm wrench and a friend to help. Always ensure your Ford Ranger is parked on a level surface with the engine completely cool before starting. Next, locate the hood prop rod and securely position it to hold the hood fully open. This ensures safety and provides clear access to the components you'll be working with. Now, let's disconnect everything attached to the hood. Gently detach the windshield washer fluid hose, usually found on the driver's side. Next, unplug any electrical connections, such as those for underhood lights or sensors, ensuring you don't pull on the wires. Finally, if your Ranger has hood insulation, carefully remove the clips holding it in place. Taking your time here prevents damage to these small but important parts. With everything disconnected, it's time to unbolt the hood. You'll find 4 bolts, 2 on each side, securing the hood to its hinges. This is where your helper becomes crucial. Have them firmly support the hood's weight to prevent it from falling. Using your 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove all 4 bolts. Keep these bolts in a safe place, as you'll need them for reinstallation. Once all bolts are removed, with your helper, carefully lift the hood straight up and away from the vehicle. It's heavier than it looks, so coordinate your movements. Store the hood in a safe, flat area where it won't be scratched or damaged. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed during your projects. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.